So all you'll need is your hands. Make sure the keyboard is off, a butter knife, and the replacement battery. So the replacement battery has to be a rechargeable ML2032, not the CR. So I'm gonna have a link for you down below so you can follow that link and get the correct one. All right, so near the logo right at the top, there's a little latch here. That's the battery tray. So you can't really force the butter knife in. What you have to do is take your fingernail and pull it back and then insert the butter knife. So the butter knife doesn't have to go like deeply in it. It just has to go like right at the tip of that battery tray. So at the tip of the battery tray, there's like a little nudge that helps you pull it forward. So we're just trying to get the tip of the butter knife to hit that nudge so it can kind of eject the tray out, and we can pull the rest out with our hands, with our fingers. So going over it again, use your fingernail to pull the tray back so you can slide the butter knife in and just get the tip right on that nudge. Do a dig out motion to eject the tray, and it's better if you use two hands for this. Make sure you have the keyboard on a flat surface and just pull the tray out easily with your hands. Just pull straight out. And as long as you follow along with me, there shouldn't be any damage to your keyboard. But that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.